Hi everybody, my name is Stephen Conlon and I am a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration Team at Pentagon Solutions. In this short video, I'm going to talk about the support packages we offer here at Pentagon and the benefits of choosing Pentagon as your support hub. We have subject matter expertise across many different disciplines for our current customers' digital tools, such as their CAD tools, asset management solutions, and our own developed applications. People think that the Pentagon Customer Experience Hub only deals solely with software support, but this is not the case. We work closely with customers' IT companies to set up products and programs, set up correct workflows and processes if needed, demos, webinars, etc. Our teams are subject matter experts in all different fields of work, such as civil engineering, structural engineering, MEP engineering, architects, cloud services, software consultants, and software developers. What does the Pentagon Customer Experience Hub provide compared to other companies? We have dedicated teams within Pentagon, and they are the CAD team, Engineering Business Solutions team, and the Developed Solutions team. Each team has certain expertise that give us an edge over our competition. We are also locally based, so this gives us a plethora of benefits such as prompt response and on-site assistance. Pentagon offers faster response times, allowing us to address issues promptly. In cases where on-site assistance is necessary, being geographically close ensures that our agents can reach your location quickly, minimizing downtime and disruption to your business operations. Familiarity with local infrastructure. Pentagon possess in-depth knowledge and familiarity with the local technology infrastructure. We understand the nuances of the local network configurations, hardware compatibility, and other infrastructure-related factors. This familiarity helps us troubleshoot issues more efficiently and provide effective recommendations for optimizing your IT environment. Supporting the local economy and social value. Opting for Pentagon contributes to the growth and development of the local economy. By choosing Pentagon, you support local businesses, create job opportunities within your community, and promote a stronger local IT ecosystem. We are a big proponent of social value, which maximizes the social, economic, and environmental benefits of our company through the public procurement system within the government in Northern Ireland. As a company, we don't just help our customers in the form of software issues. We also offer services to help our customers. We specialize in assisting government bodies and companies in various different aspects of software development, management, and support. Our collaboration with government bodies involved developing specialized software within their secure network infrastructure, ensuring accurate implementation, adherence to security protocols, and improved efficiency. For our clients, we have helped them develop ISO 19650 certified Revit families, showcasing their commitment to high-quality project management and information handling practices. We also partnered with companies to implement optimal workflows, customizing processes and tools to maximize efficiency, reduce errors, enhance collaboration, mitigate security risks, and address scalability. Additionally, we have provided comprehensive support and front-end development expertise for our proprietary applications, streamlining data management and creating user-friendly interfaces. Lastly, our tailored services for clients utilizing Accruent Meridian software includes server setup, upgrades, data migration, and on-site assistance. minimising downtime and optimising software performance. Pentagon is a solutions-oriented company dedicated to providing comprehensive, tailored solutions to meet the diverse needs of our customers. With a localised presence, we take the time to understand your unique environment and requirements. Drawing on our extensive expertise in workflows, software setup, troubleshooting, and data management, we offer effective and efficient solutions across different domains. Our dedicated sales team is available to provide personalised guidance and address any inquiries you may have. By partnering with us, you can leverage our expertise to drive operational excellence, overcome challenges, and optimize workflows. At Pentagon, we are committed to delivering exceptional support and building strong partnerships based on your organization's specific goals and requirements. Please contact us today to explore how we can enhance the efficiency of your operations. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep up to date with any of our new videos. Please also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.